Hello students, Introduction to Grammar. Topic: Sentences. What is a sentence? A group of words which has a meaning is called a sentence, or we can say that the group of words which makes a sense is called sentence. For example, Ram is a boy. I am 6 years old. These group of words gives us a meaning. For example, I like reading. I go to school. So these group of words has a meaning or make a sense. So that's why they are called sentence. One another thing about sentences is sentences always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. For example, Sam loves ice cream. In these group of words, the word Sam, S is the capital letter, and this sentence ends with a full stop. And another example, the children are playing. In these group of words, word the, T is the capital letter, and this sentence ends with a full stop. All these things are about sentences. Thank you.